right, YouTube, it has been a hot minute since I've been here, but I am back and I am so excited about all the brand new workouts that I have coming for you over 2026 and beyond. So if you haven't been here for a while, I haven't either, that's okay. I want to know though, where are you from in the world? Pop your name and where you are from and let's get reconnected. Now, where have I been? I've been a little bit busy. I've had a child. So I do have a brand new program for you. So if you look in the link below, I've got one of my favorite full-length workouts that I'm giving away for free, and you can have it forever. And I'm going to be sharing a little bit more about what I've been up to as we go through this workout. But let's get started. And why not bring it back with one of our favorites, a flat belly formula 7-minute abs. All right, let's get ready to fire up that core and begin. We're going to get that core connected first of all. So come and lie on your back for me. We're going to do 40 seconds of exercise, a 20-second rest. And of course, we are going to get motivated with every single rep. So lying flat on your back, you're going to tuck those hips underneath. You're going to take a nice big breath in. And as you exhale out, we're going to bring those knees up, those arms lifted up to the sky. Now really think about tucking that pelvis underneath. I want to have no gap between your back and the mat. So let's just practice this right now. So tuck those hips underneath, drive that belly button in towards the ground, grab your hand, take a little peek. Is there a gap there? If there is, I want you to squeeze. All right, here we go. First exercise, arms are lifted, and let's take it into our dead bugs. Take a nice big inhale, and as you exhale, extend that arm and the leg. And again, inhale back to the center, and lift up and extend. Now, one thing I have really learned through doing all of my pregnancy and postpartum workouts is the breath work. And so if you've trained with me before, I know that you've got amazing results, but guess what? This 2026 into 2027 and beyond, you're going to get even better results because I'm going to add a new element to our workouts, the breath work that is going to maximize every single rep that you do. All right, here we go. So inhale and exhale as you extend that arm out and the leg. Last one. And gently come back to the center. All right, we're gonna take that 20-second rest. You're gonna extend those legs both up to the sky. You're gonna bring your hands behind right here. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna tap the opposite diagonal, but you're gonna come back to the center, elbows nice and wide, and then extend that arm up. Point those toes in 3, 2, 1, here we go. So extend, back to the center. So you inhale right here and exhale and really extend that arm up. We're gonna get those nice obliques on fire. Here we go. So come back to that center, inhale, and a big exhale, lift up a little bit more. Really extend your arm, cross on that diagonal. Reach, 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 reach. Come all the way back through, and you've got this. Ooh, it feels good to be back. All right. Maybe you're like, I didn't even know that you'd gone. That's okay. Like, I don't expect that anyone realizes that I was even gone, but I am back, and I'm excited to be back. Lift up, and give me one more all the way across. And release. All right, bring those knees in towards your chest. Give yourself a little rock from side to side. We're gonna relax your head down. Next exercise, we're gonna shoot those legs up to the sky. You're gonna bring those hands underneath your booty. And we're gonna take inhale, and as you exhale, you're gonna come down to that 45 degrees. You're gonna take those legs out, and then you're gonna bring them all the way back in again, and then up to the top. Here we go, inhale, exhale, come down. Here we go, inhale, exhale out to the side. That's it. Really tucking those hips underneath. The most important thing is that you're keeping no gap between your back and the mat. Now get it down just a little bit lower. Now only come down as low as you can without your back coming off the mat. If your back starts to come off the mat, then the most important thing is that you just lift those legs back up to that 45 degrees. Here we go. Let's see if you can get down an inch or two more. Really, really squeeze, legs out, come back, and then all the way up. Nice work. All right, flex those feet. Maybe just rotate your legs and your ankles from left to right. And now, always, I come over to my side here, especially to help with that core. All right, postpartum. Okay, next exercise, we're gonna come down into a low plank. So pop up onto your toes, and we are just gonna lift up one heel at a time. So inhale, exhale, lift up. Squeeze your glutes. Inhale, and really press that heel up to the sky. thinking about a nice straight line from your head to your shoulders, all the way through to your heels. And that's it. Nice work. Give yourself a smile. Oh yes, we have got some exciting programs coming this year. If you're not already on the Burn by Rebecca-Louise app, I've got new challenges on there every single month. And I created a brand new pregnancy and postpartum app called Luna Bloom. All the details are below. Give me one more. All the way up and gently release. Nice work. Okay, we're gonna come into your side plank right here. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna reach up, but we're gonna go all the way around. So coming up here, so lengthen up, and you're gonna swoop underneath, and then extend all the way back up again. Here we 3 and 2 and 1. Big reach through, and send that arm up to the sky. Now think about pulling that hip up just a little bit more. Reach through and lift. Give yourself a smile. You're here, you're making it happen. Ready? Modified version. You can just come down to those knees. Right, but I always say, give it 5 seconds. See how many that you can do. Lifting that arm all the way back up. Now we've got the other side, then we've got one more exercise, and then we are completed for our 7-minute abs. And just like that, it has flown by. Lifting all the way up. Give me one more. Sending the arm back a little bit further. And release. Okay, coming all the way back over to your other side. We're gonna get that elbow directly underneath your shoulder. Taking a nice big breath. Giving yourself a smile. And knowing that if you have a will, you can make something happen. It's just about not quitting. So coming up onto your heels, let's extend that arm up and under we go. So tap back as far as you can, really working your obliques. Pull that belly button in, reach further, and extend. Now squeeze your glutes, squeeze those inner thighs together, and really pull up through your hip. Nice. So inhale all the way back, and exhale, lift up. Good. Give me 3 more right here. We got this. 1, breathe. And number 2, reach further a little bit more. And give me 1 more. All the way through and all the way up. And gently coming down. All right, we're taking it into our final exercise. Right here, we're gonna lie back. We're gonna come and bring those hands by our sides. Bring those legs up. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna extend out and then bring them back. You can even bring your hands right here to press in. So extend out, tucking those hips underneath. No gap between the back and the mat. And here we go for 40 seconds. Extend and bring it back. Now you've got your knees about hip width distance apart. And you're using your hands as like a nice little tap of where to extend to. Again, tucking those hips under nice and tight. Relaxing those shoulders, relax your jaw, and breathe. So inhale, and then exhale, extend those legs out. Good job. Inhale, tap, and exhale, extend. And again, 2 more times. Inhale, come back here, and extend out. And 1 more all the way through, and gently coming all the way back down, rolling over to your side. Bring yourself all the way up. Give yourself a clap. Now remember, we just did 7 minutes, but I think you got a little bit more in you. I've put 2 of my favorite, most popular ab workouts ever on this channel. Seeing as I'm just back, I'm like, let me just show you where we've been and where we're going. I'm so glad that you joined me today. I've missed you. I'm back, and we are just getting started.